We are all unlimited beings, limited only by the concepts of limitation we hold in mind. Lester Levenson said that. And this is a message from Lester. Everyone is experiencing his or her infinite and unlimited beingness every moment of one's life. That which is not is sought for, but not that which is obvious. In other words, that which appears is sought for, but not that which exists. To think is not your real nature. Your real nature is to be. The natural free state is the ultimate goal. That is to be with no thinking. No thinking happens when there are no more feelings. For example, no more egg flap and cap. An egg flap is apathy, grief, fear, lust, anger, and pride. And cap is courageousness, acceptance, and peace. The essence of yourself is only awareness or consciousness. When the ego dominates it, your consciousness functions as the reasoning, thinking, or sensing faculty. When you are totally released, you identify with your beingness only. When you are intuitive, with no thinking, you begin with dissatisfaction. With dissatisfaction, you are always restless and seeking. Releasing undoes the dissatisfaction. When you are totally released, you are eternally satisfied. You will never stop your agitated state of dissatisfaction until you are totally released and constantly satisfied. This is the sense of fulfillment. This is the ultimate state. You do not acquire happiness. Your basic nature is happiness. You simply remove the unhappiness, the egg flap and cap.